Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you a very powerful oil which is very great for hair growth. This can also be used for the treatment of skin blemishes. So let's just get started. I am going to be needing some aloe vera, so I will just cut a leaf from my aloe vera plant. Now I'll wash it very well, soak it in some water and get rid of that yellowish substance. Next, I've got some rosemary leaves. This I got from my garden. If you don't have it in your garden, you can buy it from any supermarket. It does not cost so much. I am also going to be using some ginger. I'll get a grater and grate my ginger. Now I'll cut my aloe vera leaf into smaller pieces. I must say there is no right or wrong amount. If you want it very concentrated, just use more ingredients, but if you want it dilute, just use less ingredients. I want it very concentrated. I'll get a frying pan and come in with my rosemary leaves. Next, I'll come in with my grated ginger. Then I'll drop in my chopped aloe vera. Next, I'll come in with some extra virgin olive oil. This oil has also got very great properties for hair. Now I'll put it on very low fire and heat it up, and I'll give it occasional mixes. So basically, it's going to take about 20 to 30 minutes to be ready. As I said, you don't need the fire to be very high. It has to be at its lowest. Rosemary, aloe vera, and ginger are all great for hair growth. So with these three powerful ingredients combined, your hair is going to grow like crazy. This is especially good for the treatment of bald spots. For those who have lost their hairline, this is what you need. If you've got alopecia, you can try this. As you can see, it's ready now. I'll just put off the fire and let it cool down. With the help of a strainer, I'll get out my oil. I'll transfer this into a little bottle to help make it very easy to use. So you just take a little bit and put it on the affected area. You can put it on your scalp and just massage it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can use this every day for maximum results. This is very concentrated, so you don't need to exaggerate. A little bit will go a long way. This can also be used to treat skin blemishes like rashes and imperfections. It helps reduces acne and the appearance of dark spots. Okay guys, so this is it, and I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.